So what makes Bitcoin so different from, traditional banks? It's not just digital money, it's a whole new system. In this episode of Block and Learn, we're breaking it down in simple terms so anyone can understand it. Let's say you want to send money to a friend overseas. If you use a bank, what happens? First, your request goes to your bank, then to a central bank or clearinghouse, maybe even through multiple financial intermediaries. It might take days. And guess what? You'll probably pay fees at each step. Now, imagine using Bitcoin instead. No middlemen, no opening hours, no waiting. Bitcoin runs on a global network of computers. Anyone can participate. It doesn't care if it's Sunday, a holiday, or 3 a.m. The network runs 24/7. But what about trust? In the banking system, we trust people and institutions. Banks verify identities, manage ledgers, and approve transactions. In Bitcoin, we trust code and math. Transactions are verified by a decentralized network using cryptography and recorded permanently on the blockchain. Here are 4 major differences. First, control. Banks are centralized. Bitcoin is decentralized. No single person or entity controls Bitcoin. Next, access. Banks can block accounts or deny service. Bitcoin is permissionless. All you need is an internet connection. Then, transparency. Bank ledgers are private. Bitcoin's ledger is public and can be verified by anyone. Finally, monetary policy. Central banks can print more money. Bitcoin has a fixed supply, 21 million coins, ever. Of course, Bitcoin isn't perfect, it's still evolving, but it represents a bold alternative to a banking system that hasn't changed much in decades. So, which would you trust more? People or code? Institutions or a math-based system? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more clear, simple Bitcoin content every week. Want to go deeper? Check out our other episodes and use the links in the description for trusted Bitcoin resources.